India to set up forward headquarters on Pakistan's Bangladesh border. 70,000 BSF personnel to be deployed on both fronts. Donald Trump not considering third presidential contest. UN Secretary General urged India Pakistan to avoid military conflict. Secretary Council meeting held. All airport of Moscow temporarily closed after Ukraine's drone attack. Khaleda Zia returns home after 4 months, accompanied by her two daughters-in-law. Zobaida Rahman, wife of BNP acting chairman Tariq Rahman, returns to the country after 70 years. Khaleda Zia returns will help smooth the path towards democratic transition, say Fakhrul Islam. Advisory Council approves a 10-day holiday for Eid ul-Adha.